This video is about two temples, so let's begin with Cathedral of St. Paul and Peter. The beginning of erection of the building was mentioned in written sources in 1413, but the construction finished only in 1622, almost 150 years. The erection continued. Anyway, the church greatly suffered from the military campaign in 1655, and after this it was rebuilt, gaining some Renaissance features. And the church was promoted to cathedral status by Pope Leo XIII in 1895. And also in 1926 it received the title Basilica. The cathedral has 84 meter long, 28 meter height and 34 meter wide. And for this moment this is the largest Gothic church or Catholic church in Lithuania. So if you are not Catholic, you're welcome to this temple, and you can sit here and to think about other much more important things than current events. The Church of St. Gertrude, it's one of the oldest examples of the brick Gothic in Lithuania. Initially, the church was erected at the end of 14th century. In 1812, Kaunas suffered a big fire, during which the Church of St. Gertrude was also damaged. Lately it was restored, and in 1824 it was transferred to the Sisters of Order of the Daughters Charity. During the Soviet Union time, the church didn't function, and even in 1988 it was planned to be this building to demolish, but it was opposed by the public. And when Lithuania became an independent country in 1991, the church returned back to our Catholic community and to the monks.